What's going on, guys and gals? How you guys doing today? We're going to do a really quick and simple recipe. Had a bunch of blueberries left over from where I bought some, and I just didn't eat them. I was going to mix it in with yogurt and have me a nice little snack. But now I haven't done anything with them, and I don't want to throw these things away. They're still good, so I decided to make a blueberry cobbler. And I want you to see how quick and easy this is. Alrighty, we're going to start with about 4 cups of blueberries. These are some really large blueberries that I bought from the grocery store. They're not fresh, so I got them from well, they're fresh as in they were picked by somebody else. We're going to use about 4 to 6 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to cheat a little bit. We got this cobbler mix that's kind of been sitting in my cabinet for a long time, and I want to go ahead and get rid of it. We're going to take about a teaspoonful of lemon juice. You can also use some lemon zest, and we're going to use a little bit of some pure cane sugar here, and then get you a 9 by 9 baking dish. Alrighty, we're going to take our 1 1/4 cup. You can use 1 1/2 cup, and we're just going to pour this over on our blueberries. Okay, we're going to eyeball this lemon juice. We're going to put about a teaspoonful, not much, and then we don't want to make this real soupy, but we do want to kind of crush these blueberries just a little bit. Again, you don't want to, just to kind of get to release some of the juice out of them, so you don't want to really crush them. And then we're going to mix that a little bit here. Oh, and one important ingredient I left out was the 3/4 of a cup of whole milk, or you can use buttermilk. We're going to use some whole milk here. And if you're using fresh fruit, you want to use about 3/4 of a cup. So as you can see, I've made my blueberries into a little syrup here, and we're going to push that off to the side. We're going to make our cobbler here. I've also melted my butter right here in the dish. So that's about 6 tablespoons. You can use 4 to 6 tablespoons. All right, we got our powder in there, our cobbler mix here. It smells really good. I can smell cinnamon in it. We're gonna pour some of our milk in there, and you want to get this to about the consistency of pancake batter, guys. So we're going to stir that until we get to that consistency. All right, we got it about like pancake batter, and we're just going to pour that into our buttered dish here. Again, it's real simple. Nothing real complicated about this. Then we're just going to top it with our blueberries, and again, we don't want to mix it. We just want to top it. Alright, now I'm just going to spread it out a little bit. Again, you don't want to mix it, just want to kind of spread it there. And then we're going to put this in an oven, a preheated oven, about 375 degrees, and we want to cook it for about 45 minutes. Alrighty, it's been about 40 minutes, and there's the crust on top, and it looks sensational. And I'm sure it's going to taste really, really good too, guys. And that's just how easy it is to do a blueberry cobbler. So we're going to let this sit for a little while. It looks kind of watery to me, but we'll see once it sets and how good it is. And we're going to have, the judgment is how it tastes. Alrighty, I just took a corner out of it. I actually cooked this on the fly this morning, guys. I was on my way to work and took it out of the oven. I let it cool on the counter, and it's probably 4 hours later. I've already cut a piece of it. It's a little bit more creamier, but it actually looks pretty good. So we're going to taste it and see what it tastes like. I can already tell you that it tastes good, and the reason why I know is because some of it, when I was putting the lid on it, the lid fell down in it, and I licked some of the sauce off the lid. Oh my God, it was delicious. So the true test, this is the blueberry cobbler. We're gonna taste it. It's still warm. That's good. That is kick butt good. My God. And you know what? I don't eat a lot of sweets, so I'm probably gonna take this to my receptionist at work, and they're probably going to inhale this right here. It is so good, guys. Make a blueberry cobbler. Blueberry cobbler has got to be one of the easiest things that you can make if you got some fruits and things like that just laying around. Just add some sugar, find any recipe, use my recipe. Use one of those little bags like I use, but you gotta try it. It always comes out good. We'll catch you on the get-go. Peace.